Hello, it's your Maven of Mystery, and I'm trying to get this camera right. Um, hmm, I'm home. We were at the hospital for 3 or 4 days. I had fluid around my heart and around my lungs, and they stuck a tube in me and drained the heart effusion, and then a day later, they came and said, "Oh, I think we got stuff around your lungs." So last night, they stuck a needle in my back and took fluid out, which was just special. But I'm feeling much better. I can breathe easier, and it wasn't bronchitis like everybody had said. It was fluid. And they don't know how it got there. They don't know why it was there. They took a bunch of tests. We're going to wait for the results and find out. But I'm back. Yay. Anyway, I come home. And what do I have? What do I have? I'm not going to show you my address, but I've got stuff. And it's squishy stuff. And I can't read right now because where my glasses are. I think I took my glasses to the hospital with me, and I don't have my other pair. I didn't like that pair anyway. So anyway, I'm gonna open it up, try to figure it out. You can figure it out with me because I can't read it. Anyway, it's a gift from Fields, and it is so cool because Heavy Metal Geek had a contest, and one of the prizes was a Deadpool Snuggie. Well, they call it a Snuggie, but it was a blanket with sleeves. And I'm always cold. I'm so cold. And I really, really wanted to win that, and I didn't win it. So, my son Fields purchased this as soon as I can figure out how to use it. Well, there's an arm. I think, well, I don't know. Where are the arms on this, Matthew? It's a blanket. Okay. I think that's an arm hole. Okay, I found it. Yay. It should have an arrow or something. Put yourself in here. Nice. Okay. All right, this is cool. Hold on. Look. Oops. Upside down. All around. Can you see it? See down, all the way down? Yep. It's a leopard print. I like leopard print. I like animal print. Zebras, leopard, anything. So, there I have it. I'm all comfortable now, and it's nice and soft. It's nice and soft, and it's long, and it's going to keep me warm and happy. So, Merry Early Christmas to me. I don't know who made it, because the print's so little I can't read it. I might put it in the description when Matthew comes out. He can read it to me. Anyway, I'm happy. If you like my videos, give me a subscription or subscribe. Give me a like or thumbs down if you don't like it. A comment. And it's good to be back. See ya.